Hi, this is Lev Mills, Associate Broker with Callawan Realty and Property Manager for Mills Elite Homes. I just wanted to give you a brief walk-in tour of 4206 Callawan Court in Powder Springs. This beautiful home is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. The first thing you'll notice when you come inside are the beautiful floors. This nice 2-story foyer here. You have a separate living room. You have separate dining room. As you enter here, you have your coat closet. Powder room, it's the half. Then you enter into the family room area here. And opens up to a beautiful deck. Check out this wonderful extended deck. These wonderful, beautiful countertops here, stone countertops. So a beautiful kitchen, stainless appliances. You have your eat-in kitchen. There's a pantry here. And you have your laundry closet. Room actually, a laundry room with the shelf. And it has lighting in here. Nice big 2-car garage. And they put the flooring in here, which is also really nice. Let's go upstairs. So a little catwalk somewhat. You have bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. All these bedrooms have a lot of wonderful natural light. Here is a full bath here in the hallway. Bedroom number 3. You have your linen closet here. And then you have the master, which is bedroom number 4. This is a huge master bedroom. The great thing is you have 2 walk-in closets here with additional space in here. You also have here's the second walk-in closet. And then you have your wonderful master bathroom with shower, double vanity, and a jetted tub. It's very nice. There's also a shelf. You have toilet here and your linen closet in here. All right, and so if you want to learn more about the terms of this rental, this is a rental. If you want to learn the terms and requirements and get more details, set up a showing tour, give me a call. My name again is Lev Mills. My mobile number is 678-590-5999. Looking forward to